Today's symbolic image for you is a nutcracker, one of those ornate, beautifully designed wooden nutcrackers that we often see around during the holidays, but we can also see them as decorative items that you have around the house. And in this symbolic message, it's about, are you carrying around some old memories, some old patterns, some old experiences that are like that hard walnut that has that hard shell, and you just can't seem to be able to crack the code to finally let go of everything that's on the inside, let it go once and for all, and move forward in your life. Well, the beauty about the way that Spirit communicates to you through these symbols also often will give you an idea that you can use to help cracking the code of those old experiences. So in this message, it's about breaking open that shell, using that nutcracker to break it open once and for all. Let all of the inside of that shell just drain right down your grounding, and let yourself release those experiences that no longer serve you. And do it in a really fun way with a very ornate nutcracker that's just for you to help you move through all of those nuts in your life. All right, take care, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you on the next symbolic message.